Hey, Rob Pelc here with AdvantageLumber.com. Today we're talking about our 5/4 rain screen. We have the Deckwise Rainscreen Clip, kind of slides right in that groove, and the next board stacks on top. You run a little stainless steel screw through there, and this makes a beautiful system here. You can see the cutaway on this wall. You have your vapor barrier, then you have pressure treated furring strip, then you have some of our Kumaru siding, and then that clip just kind of sits in there, and you run a screw into the furring strip. Now, if you're going on top of concrete, you can still put the furring strip on and go into that, or you can take and screw that right into the concrete, but I really prefer to go into the pressure treated furring strip. It's easier to put a few screws in this and then put a whole bunch of these screws into the pressure treated furring strip. So this creates an airflow behind there, and you have your waterproof membrane behind it, so airflow still gets up behind the siding. We call this a rain screen system. Been around for years. We just have a cooler little play on it using our fancy hardwoods stainless steel siding clips. This is for 5/4 boards, but we also make it for 3/4 boards. Check out my other video where I just talked about 3/4 inch rain screen siding with our E-Bay decking, but we do it in a whole bunch of options. So AdvantageLumber.com, hit us up if you want to check out your place with some cool siding.